Alright.
My strawberry kisses. I could fly through.
Hi. Oh fuck. I gotta fucking do my hair again. Hi, well, welcome to my channel. My name is Vidy, and if you guys are new here, just keep on watching because I'm gonna be testing out this new product that came in the mail on me, and I want to see if it works. So please keep on watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and please check out my channel. Since I've already opened the package, it came out like this, and I've already went in and checked it out, you know, before the video, but yes, this is what it turned out. It's a magnetic eyeliner and eyelashes. It comes from M5 Lashes, the company. And it came all the way from China, as it shows here in China. That gives me the idea. Gets a little bit blurry, but yes. And so today I was just gonna like try them on and see how it worked. And this is how it came out as well. This little thing in there. It has tips, how to use it or how to remove it for them. Okay, so now let's go ahead and look in here. As it comes in the box, little areas. Here's the case, and the eyelashes are in here. And my kid playing car, so ignore. And yeah, eyelashes case. You guys already know what this is, to pick up your eyelashes carefully to take care of, you know. And then the eyeliner that comes with. It's very cute. I love the theme about it though. I love how it all matches all together for it. I tested the eyeliner out last night before to the next day, and it's still on me. It's been on there for like since half of the rest of the night and the whole night, and I've been rubbing this off just water. It's just not really necessarily coming off right away still. Yeah, I guess not. It's waterproof, that I found out. And what this eyeliner is supposed to do, it's when you apply this on your eyelashes, magneted on, and it'd be easy to come off. So you don't have to use no glue at all. No glue. So sounds worth it. I've never had eyelashes in my life. My cousin has done my eyelashes before, so that was my only first time ever got my eyelashes done. She did my makeup, put eyelashes on, that was it. But I've never in my life put myself eyelashes on or bought myself eyelashes. And this was from Amazon. I'll put the description below. The pricing wasn't expensive. It was like $10.99 plus the tax shipping. And I had Amazon Prime, so it's a free fast shipping. If you guys have that, it's well worth it. So these are the eyelashes. I think this one's very cute. They don't have any names on them. That's what I didn't know. Because, yes, Instagram with eyelashes, people always have their names going on, you know. But I tried looking through, and they look almost alike, but they are a bit different, as this one looks more poofier compared to the other one. This one's more of a deeper color, like more of it. And it's like a little mirror. Just put this in your purse. On the go. Alright, let me go ahead and now let's start getting things, putting all my makeup on. I'm just gonna, yeah. I'm gonna just now apply on my makeup. Very liquid. As I'll apply it, here we go. I'll apply it here as well for you guys to see. There you go. I barely even tapped it on. Pretty black already. But I'm gonna use this mirror and apply my makeup. So, yes, my kid's very interested in me applying my makeup. But yes, I just finished applying my makeup. Just let it dry, and we're gonna test out some eyelashes on. While I'm just letting it dry, it says for tips, you can shake the bottle before you use, which I like. Already done that. Make sure pass the allergy test. I'm not really into allergies. Eye contact. Rinse out with clean water immediately if product enters the eye by accident. But how do you use it? It says reading above the notice, which is I already have. Carefully draw eyeliner line along with your eye shape. Ensure the line closest to the root of your real eyelashes. So I'm gonna, while this is drying, I'm just gonna go ahead. Actually, I'm gonna do that right now, because I'm not too good at making sure it's on at least on my eyelashes area. I gotta just let it just be right here. Oh, this came out thick right now. Okay, I got it. Alright. And now I guess they'll continue with drying it up. Okay, so bend your magnetic eyelashes band to make it softer and perfect fit for your eye shape. Tip number, how to use the number 4. Take the end tip of the magnetic eyelash hair with tweezers or fingers and put it above your real eyelashes. Then make the magnetic band slowly close to and connect with eyeliner line before it totally dries. What?
You what?
Okay, tweezers, taking it off. Try it again. Gotta reapply it to a thin one because I just been overly going over it. So I'm just gonna apply it one more time before it starts drying off. I'll start with these ones because it's just right here. But as you can see, I apply the first one. Like, oh my gosh, like, I know what it's like with when it comes to like fake glues, but apparently this one was so easy, especially for a first time user as me. This is my first time ever to apply eyelashes, like no joke. And I've seen so many of my friends that put their eyelashes, putting their glue on, how to do it. I've seen videos as well, how do you put eyelashes on with glue, you know? And this is very, very simple because this one came on me like hella quick. Like, if you can notice my eyelashes and then my other eyelashes. So, that's pretty cool, you know? And I'm not into a mascara person. I'm not involved with mascara because it irritates my eyes a lot and I'm just not comfortable with it. And I've never gone to the point of like trying out eyelashes because I feel like I didn't need to, even though I got very short eyelashes though. Oh man, my eyeliner getting messy here. Wow. So to be honest, like, I really do like this. This is very cool and simple. Like, you guys need to try this out. You guys are missing out because you get a nice free case for any future ones, but this one is magnetic. And it has this little sticky rim to put it back into your eyelashes in place. Magnetic though, like, I also saw it magnetic into my eyeliner. I'll give it like a 5-star out of this if it came to it, which I will be giving them a review, of course. We'll be giving them a 5-star from this. I've never had eyelashes, and I feel happy because I'm willing to try these on throughout my day. I just need a mascara just to blend with my eyelashes with it. As you can see them, like, I think I need to curl them up. I'll be back. So I just try to curl them off so you can see it though. Like, this ain't bad. So if you guys check him out, because I'm happy. A girl that knows how to now finally do their eyelashes with no problem, with no glue, because I barely got no eyelashes either way. I'm happy because I'm not gonna lose my eyelashes anytime soon with these eyeliner. It's waterproof. I had the one that's yesterday, which is in this side, and this side is just recently, just to test out the liquid. The liquid's good. Once you just gotta make sure it dries off, because look at this part, I fucked up. I just need to apply it again because, yeah. Since you guys have not seen this out, it's not too bad for all of this deal. So thank you guys for watching. Please check this out. Let me know if you guys got one too, because I want to know what your guys' thoughts as well. And if you guys really enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, because if I were the one seeing this video, I would give it a thumbs up, just because I'm so happy for actually trying eyelashes for once in my life, and I am looking pretty gorgeous on myself right now. I still got them on. I want to try out the other ones out soon, but I'm already satisfied with this one because this look is like more of a natural, just a little bit longer eyelash look compared to the other one's more volume look in it. But other than that, thank you guys for watching to the end, and I'll be having more review videos as well, but this is just my first review video I've done for eyelashes from Amazon. So I'll see you guys till next time.